Welcome. This short example shows how to quickly make an AI application for the web with Gradio. I'm the Nova text-to-speech voice from OpenAI, guiding you through this video. Note that we are using UV, an extremely fast Python package and project manager. Check the video notes for the link to install it. Let's start. We already created a folder and opened it with Visual Studio Code. We've got LM Studio installed and use it as the backend, running an LLM for analyzing images. After opening the terminal, we create the project with UV in it. Then, we add the required packages to the project with UV add. To build an application that utilizes RAG, we first need to import data into a vector store. For local development, we've chosen Chroma due to its persistent, file-based storage capabilities. We've obtained a Kaggle dataset containing over 2,000 recipes, and we will develop an import script to load this data into the vector store for use within our application. Chroma handles the embedding and distance calculations automatically. Our primary focus will be on correctly structuring the documents, ID lists, and metadata. We will leverage Chroma's create or update methods, ensuring that re-importing data is safe and avoids duplication. A single batch can accommodate up to 5,000 documents, a limit we won't reach with our current dataset. To verify the import process, we will also incorporate a sample query into the import script. We're developing a Gradio application where you can input your desired meal and get AI-powered recipe suggestions. The app will feature a simple text box and button for your input, and the results will appear as a clear markdown display. We'll connect these elements using the Analyze method and thoroughly test the interface to ensure it's fully functional. Once the interface is up and running, our next step is to create a precise query to pull the best documents from our vector store. For local development, we'll use a compact model, along with a system prompt and a user message. Looking ahead, we plan to enhance the system prompt and explore multi-shot queries for even more consistent and helpful results. Once we've created the query from the user's input, we run it on our vector store, which returns 3 recipes. After verifying this step, we can proceed to craft the message for our AI chef, requesting a recipe recommendation based on the retrieved documents. Again, we craft a system prompt, instructing our AI chef on its culinary mission. Then we formulate a user message. This message is necessary, as it contains the specific information the user is seeking. The query we've generated earlier, along with the essential context derived from our 3 results from the vector store. With this input, the large language model's task is to synthesize all of this information and produce a single, tailored recipe recommendation. With all of our puzzle pieces in place, the phase of fine-tuning our system can now begin. We refine the system prompt for our AI chef, giving the large language model precise instructions on our expected output. We revisit the question generation process, ensuring clarity and relevance, and fine-tune the user message some more. Once we achieve approximately 90% satisfaction with the results, we'll transition to a more powerful model. This strategic upgrade typically elevates the system's performance even further, delivering usable outcomes. In just a few minutes, we've created a small vector store, transformed user input into a query, used that result as context for a prompt, and brought it all together in one web app. That's a simple Retrieval-Augmented Generation system in action. From here, there are many exciting directions to explore, like incorporating citation prompts to reference source documents, updating the vector store for long-term memory, or summarizing multiple documents to keep the context smaller. Thanks for listening in. This series is part of the preparation for the Health, AI, and Gamification Hackathon, or in short, HI. It's taking place at the ACM Multimedia 2025 conference in Dublin. We're creating these talks to help all of you gear up for this exciting 48-hour event, where we'll be crafting innovative games to address global health challenges using multimodal AI. If you're hearing about this event for the first time, please check out our webpage and our Discord server. We'd love to have you there.